usually a peaceful person. However, whenever I go out, which is usually to do grocery, then due to some people, my curiosity may peak, and in some cases, if they bother me first, then I make sure that they also know what it feels like to be bothered. I'm not proud of it as I have to come out of my peaceful state, and that is not fun. However, before I tell you these stories, hello and welcome to a new video. I am Drawfishan and today I am designing a shoe inspired by Nezuko from Demon Slayer today. I hope you enjoy the painting process. And now let's get on with the story. I did not used to go out for grocery as it was done by my sister, and I had different responsibilities around the house, which I was very happy about as I do not enjoy going out. But my sister got married and left, so her responsibility of getting groceries fell on me, unfortunately. So before she left, I went with her as I wanted to spend more time with her. This was 4 years ago. Now, I don't go out much, so I have no social skills and I don't really have a filter, so I say whatever comes to my mind. You will see what I mean soon. Anyway, when I went out with her, I saw a woman tearing up packages of deodorant, smelling them, and then moving on to the next one. I had never seen such behavior, so I blatantly stared at her. When she saw me looking at her, she said, "I was going to buy all of those," and hurriedly took all the open packages off the shelves, put them in her cart, and left. I looked at my sister in shock and she said, "There are all kinds of people in the world." Interestingly, after this, YouTube started to suggest me videos like People of Walmart or Entitled People at Walmart, as if to prove the point that these people are real and exist everywhere. Then I saw a child taking chocolates from an aisle as her mother waited for him to finish eating. I could not believe that this mother was not stopping her child from doing that, so I just said to the kid, "Hey, you're not supposed to do that." This caught the attention of the salesperson there and he came to see what was happening. When he saw this kid eating chocolates and putting the wrappers back, he simply collected all the wrappers and told the mother that she needed to come to the counter to pay for them. This woman was livid and threw me an exceptionally nasty look and snarled, "Ill-mannered girl," which was an interesting take on the situation as it was her spawn that did not have any manners. By this time, I was very much tired from being outside for more than an hour and was looking forward to going back home. Finally, we went to the checkout and there was this really tall man and he had several carts filled with cat food, cat litter, and other cat-related items. Like I said before, this was 4 years ago, so I did not have my cats at that time. This meant that even at a mention of the cats, I would just go crazy. Seeing this person with so much cat food and other cat items, my thought was that this person had a pet shop, and I started dreaming of having a cat once again. Just so you know, I had not talked to this person and I had no idea if he actually was a pet shop owner or not. I just wanted a cat. I was very curious about it, and between my curiosity and reluctance to interact with people, my curiosity won. I approached him and instead of asking him if he had a pet shop, I decided to ask him, "How many cats do you have?" Which was the correct question, by the way, as he replied, 32 or maybe more as I have lost count. Then he told me that he has a huge house and his family adores cats, so they decided to adopt a few, and over the years they also started to feed the strays and adopted even more cats, so now they have so many cats that he does not know how many cats they have. This made me very happy as all the people that I met that day, he was the nicest as he cared for unknown number of cats. This encounter ended that grocery shopping experience at a positive note, and I was happy that I went out that day because after that I started to search for a cat that would be my cat. But that story is for another time. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for future content, and I will see you next time. Bye.